Here's an example of the sort of mess you might have to clean up during a day's DIYing. We've got some dust, some shingle, stones and a bit of rubble. So come on then, Jack, race you to the pub. Get a move on, Jack. Check this out, it's really clever. Easy, I love that. The multi-vac can suck up large spills from the floor, no problem. But have a look at what it can do with a block sink full of water. Tragic. Cup of tea. I love this vac. Seriously, take a look how easily it deals with sludge. Now, ain't that a satisfying noise? The other great thing about the Man Vac is that it doesn't just suck, it blows. So you can blow mess neatly off difficult surfaces. This, for instance, would be a nightmare without the blower. Know what I mean, Jack? Honestly, I don't know why he bothered. How many times have you covered yourself in sawdust? Or spent half an hour trying to get a load of shavings off the floor? Well, have a look at this very handy tool. Under here, you'll find a socket. Now, you can plug any of your power tools into this, press the button, and you can use it as an extension lead. Handy. But here's the really clever thing. When you turn on the power tool, it automatically turns on the vacuum. It even runs for an extra 5 seconds to clear the pipe after you switch the power tool off. Now that's dust-free sawing and sanding. It's an essential piece of kit on your Karcher Man Vac.